I just got the email to register for the Athena patient portal. I'm excited. I really want to see my results and message my doctor, but I'm not sure how to get started on my phone.
That's exciting, Ruth. I think you're ready. You just need a little guidance.
Don't stress, Ruth. You've got this. If you can order something online, you can definitely handle this.
Exactly. You can do it, and I'll guide you through every step. Let's do it together. First, open the email invitation you received from your primary care center. If you can't find it, type CenterWell or Conviva in the search bar at the top of your email app. Inside the email, tap the link that says Create My Account. This will take you to the Athena Patient Portal registration page. Now, create and confirm a strong password. It should be at least 8 characters, with 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 number. When you're ready, tap Save and Continue. To protect your account, you'll set up multifactor authentication. That just means making sure it's really you. We recommend SMS. Tap Setup, type in your cell phone number, then send code. You'll receive a 6-digit code in a text message. Open your Messages app, copy or write down the code, then return to the browser and enter it. Tap Verify. Now that your identity is confirmed, review the terms and conditions. These are rules about privacy and how your information is handled. If you want to use the portal, you'll need to accept them. Tap Continue. That's it. You're registered. Now you can log in anytime to see lab results, check on your referral status, message your doctor, request prescription refills, schedule or change appointments, and so much more.
So now I can manage my health without waiting on hold or digging through emails? I feel unstoppable.
Careful, Ruth. We don't want to add superhero to your resume just yet.
Ready to manage your healthcare on your time? Check your email for an invitation to the Athena Patient Portal to get started.